guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brookie Cookie. Today I decided to do the Nicole Skies Slime Challenge, where it's technically you just have your best or favorite slime, and you just play with it. And you're probably not even gonna watch this, but Nicole, if you do watch this, please comment so I know. But this is my slime. It's not really that stretchy, but when I put this on it, it gets like really, really stretchy and slimy, and it's really good. So, just trying. It doesn't really like crackle, like pop like that, like most people, but it's still really good slime, and I like it. So, it's really cool. It looks way brighter on camera, but if I wanted to, I could tear it apart so I can share it with someone, and then it's also stretchy, and then I can tear it apart easily. But that's not the point. The point is, sorry if this is in the way, right here, this thing. It's my art box, because I normally do art videos. And if Nicole, you want to see my drawing that I'm working on, let me find it. This is my drawing that I'm working on. Of course, it's owls. Owls are my favorite animal. If you have been on my channel. So, normally I would put just a whole bunch of my spray. This is not perfume really. I put other kind of spray in it. It's like a lotion kind of spray thing. Either that or this is really good for my slime. This is almost done though. And just listen. I think it's very satisfying. Try and put it up to the speaker on my camera. It's almost gone. Here, listen. Oops. This is fizzy, kind of. Shimmer Fizz. So it makes my slime sparkly and just beautiful. So, yeah. I'm going to go get something. You guys are going to stay there. And yeah, I'm not pausing this or editing around or anything. I'll be right back. Don't move. I'm back. Yeah, I just ran next door. Quick. Okay. Let me open this. It's my glitter that I got. I never used it. I'm gonna try and take this lid off. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Actually, I'm not gonna take it off. Come on. It's not coming out. Come on. It's so satisfying just watching all this glitter go onto my slime. And this is blue glitter, purple slime. It works great together. Blue and purple are my two favorite colors. But my top favorite color is really mint, which is technically a bluish greenish, mostly green. it has some blue in there too. So, let me try and get a little bit more out. That's good. So this is what my slime looks like. And yeah, I'm just gonna mix it up. If you guys wanna see it. Ooh, it feels so good. It's beautiful. Let me get all the sparkles in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, I was talking about this and talking about how it's like shimmery and it makes my slime sparkly. And then I thought of the glitter that I had that I never added into my slime. A fur thing just went into my slime bucket. Okay. That's great. Why is there a hair in here? Oh my god, that's so disgusting. There's a hair in my slime. You guys can't see it on camera, but there was a hair on my, not on my, in my slime. It was in my slime. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm doing, kind of. And my glitter's out. Okay. Oh, how my camera's at that angle. I've never put it at that angle before. I'm gonna put my chair down. Is it already down? I didn't put it down. Oh, there we go. Coming down. Okay. It's not that glittery, but you can still kind of see my glitter in there. Can't get this thing off. Ooh, listen to that. This is so pretty. Hand sanitizer also works really well for putting things into my slime. Yeah. Oh, there it is. I got this from my dad. When I do that, it kind of makes a heart. That's why I love it. I don't know. It's just weird. Put some gray into here. I got a marker. This is beautiful. I'm gonna try and make like a galaxy slime one day. I haven't done it yet. Got quite a bit out of that. Mechanical pencils in the way here. Sorry about that. I would turn this into foam, but I can't seem to find my foam beads. I just can't find them. I have some, but hold on, let me get my thingy. I'm gonna make it slime. I mean sand, not slime. It already is slime. Put just a little bit of sand in there. Hold on, let me get my sand open. Okay, there we go. Sand. It's my beautiful sand. Ooh, I love sand slime. It's like the best. That's quite a bit. Slime just went over my desk. Oh my god. Slime is going, not slime, sand is going all over. Ooh, but it feels so good. I'm gonna get some, oops. Oops-a-doos. Oops-a-daisies. The slime that's going out. Put my sand down. You can probably see some coming out. It's so pretty. Look at that. I love it. Hey, it went again. It works. It's working. Okay. I love that. Oh my gosh, you can see the sand in there. Can you see it? The camera won't. You can't see the sand in the camera. Hold on, focus. Am I too close? You can't see it. I like the sand, but it makes my slime not stretchy. But this sand, apparently I used it before, it does not get wet when you bring it back up from water. I feel like they should have that on the beach. But when it's in water, you can like build things. Like, you can like build a moat up to a sandcastle that we make. And then, yeah. Ooh, that works. Guys, I just found this. It's like a Kinder Egg kind of thing. I can scoop some out of here, put it in my slime. How well does that work? See, there's still chocolate on it. I got that for Easter. Yeah. Easter. Easter is amazing. Okay, now you can see that sand. That's the pink in there. I love sand. Sand slime, at least. I don't really like sand. It gets all over the place. So messy. Guys, there's sparkles all over my desk. The camera doesn't show it, but there are sparkles all over my desk, and I don't like that. No, I don't like that at all. Ooh. Ah! Okay. That there. Close up my sand. Hold on. Okay. Whoa. Did you guys see that too? You probably didn't. I'm not even going to put it in slow motion. Actually, I might. But if you guys couldn't see it, I'm not going to put it in slow motion. Like sand just like burst out. You're just like... Yeah, you guys didn't see it. Not putting it in slow motion. At least I didn't see it on my camera. Ooh, ah! That just scarred my face. Okay. The slime loves to fart. Can you guess what was in here? You probably can't. You can guess what these are in the comments below. You got it. Oh my god, dude. This is horrible. Oh my slime's more trashy. I'm gonna try it. Dude, look at that slime swirl. Now that I just messed with it, it's kind of like Oobleck. Like when I don't mess with it, it gets like really soft. And then when I start messing with it for a while, it gets kind of hard. And I do not like that. That's why I add a lot of these juices. Because it makes it non-sticky. I mean, not sticky. Not sticky, but it makes it non-sticky, but my slime isn't originally sticky. But it also makes it stretchy. I feel like I should add more stuff, but I do not know what to add. I got a good idea. My hands are all slippery. Hold on, I need a napkin. I couldn't find a napkin. I'm just going to use this. This is even worse. Hold on. Oh my god, I cannot open this. I'm just going to get my hands like all cleaned off. Oh my god. Will not open. Jeez Louise, what the heck? Oh, I found something to open it with. Girl. Oh my god. Like, this will not open. And this is not working. Yeah, I might not know that. But I have a glitter egg. And glitter always seems to fall off. Let's try and get some glitter in here. Oh, not that. Not that, not that, not that. I don't put candy in there. See, there's candy in here. It's like Sour Patch Kids, but bunnies. Sour Patch Bunnies. Oh, what was I trying to do? Oh. Try this again. Oops. Oh, I got it. Okay. Beautiful. I did it. Girl, you can't say I didn't. Okay, that's good. I'm done with that. Done with it. Okay. Gotta be careful it doesn't get on my hands. I don't want... Oh. It's already on there. Okay. That worked great. I mean, I guess it can come off, but not that easily. I'm trying to make like a galaxy slime like now. Because I don't want to wait, girl. I don't want to wait. But I do have a Target gift card. And when I go to Target, I am going to get gallons of glue. I almost said slime. I'm going to get gallons of glue. And I'm going to make a whole bunch of slime. Oh god. That was going to work. Okay. This slime is more like farty slime than a crunchy slime. See? Like, try and pop bubbles, and I want it to crunch, but it farts instead of crunches. But there we go. There's some good crunches. Sorry, this makes it softer. Watch. Oh. Ready? this used to be blue slime. So I mixed like a light neon blue slime with a red slime, like a red matte slime. I love this. It feels so good once I add the sand in there. Hold on, I'm gonna do something. Hold on. Gotta get this open. Don't mind this thing. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. Just gonna chill there for a while I'm losing some weight. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put that in there. Like that. Okay. Please close. Okay, I'm good. Oh no. Oh no, no, honey. No, honey, no. Okay, we're good now. I think. Nope. Just like, get me to go into your slime. No. No. Yeah, actually I do want it to go in my slime. Just like, get me out of this slime. I would never do that. Try this again. It's almost dead, guys. I've been using this too much. But I love this sound. And that lotion makes it so stretchy. Like, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, ready? Oh my god. Look at that. It looks way better in person. Whew. My eyes. Okay, I'm good. It's like ASMR, dude. But it's not. This video is so long. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna say goodbye now. And hope Nicole Skies watches this, even though she probably won't. Wrong thing. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. Don't do that. So, if you do all those things, I will give you guys a shout out. Peace! And comment down below. Peace.